feel displaying your work at such a platform?
It's really a good opportunity which Tassel is giving us for the upcoming designers, and it's really an amazing experience.
It's a very competitive world when it comes to fashion, and being a student and getting a platform to showcase should be taken very seriously. Make in India is the theme, and I have seen a lot of inspiration coming from all across India, from Rajasthan, Banaras.
Tassel has given us that platform to showcase our journey from being a student to a designer, and it also helps us to create, imagine and then put forth our creation.
The competition helps them perform and bring out the best in them. More than an exam, I think it's a competition that brings out the true talent in every student.
I think they give a good opportunity to the students to express their creativity. So a school or a college like this gives them a platform to express themselves, be true to their aesthetic, express their creativity, have no bounds, and just do whatever their heart tells them to.
It's great, and for aspiring designers like us, I think it's a huge platform, and we'll always be thankful to Vivek Gautam sir and Mamta ma'am for this.
Being a part of Tassels is being with the engineers of the country, which is related to fashion, and I believe that the best design, the best minds, and the best creation is from Tassels, which I've been doing for the 3rd season, and I believe Tassels is one of the shows which is on levels of a global fashion college, and all the best. This is my season 3, and looking forward to nail it. Thank you so much.
So how does it feel like displaying your work on such a platform?
It's an honor displaying my garments on such a big scale. It's Tassels, and I was actually waiting for such a show to come up. I anyways wanted to display my garments in Mumbai as I'm not based here. I'm really excited for this.
What was your inspiration behind your collection?
The trend of the gowns is not yet here in India, not much. So I always wanted to come up with something which is not yet in. So that's how I come up with it.
Alright, thank you so much.
Well, I've always been fond of working for student designers because A, you get to see a lot of new designs and talents and ideas coming up. B, it's very different from working for an established designer because there is a lot more surprises that we are in for, because when you are going for an established designer's show, we know that his or her collection is going to be this in this particular season. But for a student's show, it's all about what their creativity is and what they bring to the table.
You know, when you walk for newer designers, the kind of excitement that is in the air is always very different. Yes, I'm happy to be wearing the clothes I'm wearing, and I have to say that they don't really feel like new designers. The finish is fantastic. The garments are really nice, what we're wearing. So we've done some shows where you feel that you're wearing a student's clothes. You know, it's not finished well or it's not thought out well. This is not that. The clothes are fantastic. They actually feel like the clothes that you would buy and wear. And yeah, looking forward to actually doing the show.
I think one of the best platforms for entertainment, lifestyle and fashion, and we've seen people from different walks of life coming here and supporting INIFD Andheri for their cause as well.
Thank you so much for this award, Sunil, or